Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today I've got something exciting to share with you, the latest updates on the Tevau Crypto Card. If you caught my last video, I mentioned they were promising some big changes, and guess what? They've delivered. The app's gotten a serious upgrade, and I can't wait to walk you through it, so let's jump right in. First off, when you open the app now, it's so much smoother than before. The interface, sleek, clean, and honestly, a night and day difference from what it used to be. If you've been using Tevau already, you're gonna love this. Oh, and here's a little heads up, since I don't have any funds in my account right now, the app pops up with a deposit balance message. You can either add some money or hit skip. Now, let's get to the card options. You've got the virtual card, which is awesome for online shopping or linking to Apple Pay or Google Pay for that tap and pay life. No physical card? No problem. You don't even need one. But if you want one, you can apply for a physical card too. And here's the cool part. Once it arrives, you can bind it to the app. Super easy. Topping up your card is simple. Just deposit some funds and you're good to go. If you head to the card management section, you'll need your security code to get in. From there, you can freeze your card, check fees, see your spending limits, or even close it. But hold up, I wouldn't recommend closing it unless you're sure, because you'll have to pay to get a new one. Oh, and if you want extra cards, just hit the new card button. You can grab another virtual one or a physical one, your call. One thing to watch out for, if you don't use your virtual card for 6 months, they'll close it. I actually suggested to Tevau team that they bump that up to a year. Feels more reasonable, right? We'll see if they listen. For now, just make sure to use it every once in a while. All right, let's talk offers. This is where it gets fun. They've got the Tevau Bazaar going on, where you can bid on sweet prizes like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra or laptop. So how do you bid? You earn bidding tokens by doing stuff like inviting friends, completing KYC, or activating your virtual card. The more tokens you stack up, the better your shot at winning. They've got auction timers and everything. It's legit, and the prizes are shipped right to you. Then there's Treasure Hunt 2.0. I tried the first one and actually won a little something, so I can vouch for it. Sign up, especially with my invite link, and you'll get lucky draws for things like up to 60% off a virtual card or cashback in USD, like $2 or $5 or even $10. Plus, if you invite friends who complete KYC or activate their cards, you score more draws. It's a total win-win. Next up, the wallet. They've really leveled up here. You can now transfer funds between accounts, and they're working on adding USD and Euro support. That means bank deposits and withdrawals are coming soon, which is huge if you want to use this as more than just a crypto tool. For now, it's crypto focused, but I'm pumped for what's ahead. If you ever need help, the Help Center has you covered. You can hit up their social media platforms or ask questions directly in the app. The support team's pretty quick to respond, so you're not stuck waiting around. Your profile section is simple but solid. You can check your KYC status, mine's verified by the way, and tweak stuff like your mobile number, authenticator, security code, or email. It's all right there, no hassle. Now here's where you can help me out, and yourself too. In the referral section, you'll see my invite link. I'm throwing it up on the screen right now. If you haven't joined Tevau yet, please sign up with this link. It'd mean a ton to me, honestly. I haven't referred anyone yet, so you'd be my first. Pretty cool, right? Plus, their referral program is a goldmine. I've got other videos breaking it down, but trust me, if you've got friends on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or Instagram, invite them. It's a solid platform. Think Redotpay vibes, and you can make some real money. So that's the rundown on Tevau's latest updates. If you like this, please hit that thumbs up, share it with your crew, and subscribe if you want to support the channel. I've got more videos like this planned, but I'll be real, engagement's been kind of low lately, and it's tough to stay motivated without it. Still, there's so much I want to share with you guys, stuff most people don't even know about. One last thing, if you can join with my referral link, it'd seriously help me out. In return, I'll keep bringing you the good stuff. That's it for now. Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious, fam.